Hey Powermatic fans, it's Lucas. Got a little treat for y'all. Normally I do metalworking equipment, but today I got an awesome Powermatic Model 60 joiner in all its green glory. Very nice joiner. The width on the bed is almost, well it is, it's 9 inches. It's not, so 9 inches wide, and the bed is almost 65 inches long. So it's great. It's a really nice machine. Runs great. It's got a fresh 2 horsepower motor in it. 220 volt now. Can be wired for 110, but if you're going to use this the way it ought to be, I would leave it on 220. Unless you've got a real problem getting 220 into your shop, I would leave it wired 220. Single phase. So what I got here? That's a nice chunk of. It's got some curl in it, it's got some figure, it's a piece of maple. And it's got a little check in it, so it might make a little noise when we start cutting it, but figure it out in a minute. We got tape. I think you probably noticed how quiet that was, and that's because the other cool thing about this Powermatic joiner is the head. It's got a Byrd Shelix head on it with all the multiple cutters. So it's a thing of beauty. See if we can't get a little bit of zoom in here action on it. Okay. So the Byrd Shelix head, really nice aftermarket head for the Powermatic joiner. Each one of the inserts can be rotated to one of 4 positions, so of course it's in the first position now. So let's take a look at the cut. First thing I want to do is figure out just how much material we took off. So I thought it was a little strong, 1/8 of an inch or a little stronger. It's 3 inches here, and it's 2 and yeah, it's just about exactly 3/16 off the full width of this maple board, which is 4 3/4. I'm going to run it all the way down now. Oh, and another interesting thing or nice thing about the Byrd Shelix multiple component head is the chips. The chips end up being very small. They go through your dust collection system a lot more easily than the chips off a traditional 3-blade knife head or 3-knife head. All right, so we're gonna run this rest away. That was only about 6 or 7 inches. We'll do the rest of the board now. Something else here, we got a big knot in this. And by the way, the finish up here is phenomenal. We went over a knot there, no worries at all. So just a phenomenal finish, particular where one would expect to have a lot of tear out around this knot. There's a check, but I think that's right from the knot itself, and you can see all the figure in the wood that this is displayed. This knot, everything is gone over. It's just fantastic. It just came out beautifully. So. no problems going over the knot, no tear out, just outstanding, excellent. And excellent fence. The fences on these are really good, easily adjusted, nice blade guard. Two things that I know of that aren't 100% on the machine. One, it's got a small chip out of the blade guard. Doesn't affect the function. Yeah, the front label has a small chip out of it right here. Last but not least, the switch. There's no mechanical switch, but it's a nice Allen Bradley motor switch, heavy duty. Let's just show the, I wanted to show this in operation here too. So loosen this up. That just moves like silk. Just outstanding. Everything on it, you lock it up then, and it's pretty much in the spot. There's a little backlash in it, but not much. This is Lucas with this great Powermatic joiner, model 60, with the Byrd Shelix multi-cutter head on it. Indexable insert head. Quiet, smooth, new motor, ready to go to work. Signing off.